Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm gonna show you guys today a Unicast update on your EIGRP network. So by default, EIGRP uses to communicate by multicast, which is 224, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they do updates by multicast, which is the IP 224.0.0 and 10. By this lab, we can make it as a unicast update. But 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 in this lab, we have to config at least 2 routers because one link here, unicast. So let's get to it. First, open your router one. Make make sure you have your topology like this. In this case, I've already set the basic config configuration. This one, they already have the connection to each other, so we can continue. Now, in router 1, enter global mode. Second, the second is a wait a second. Yes. First, let's identify let's do a debugging packet detail. Okay. So do debug packet detail. Wait a second. Oh, ID packet detail. Do debug IP packet detail. Okay, this is on, and as you can see, it uses the IP multicast to do updates. Now we have to turn this thing on. So no debug IP packet detail. No, how to disable it? Okay, that should do it. That should do it. Okay. So we're gonna leave it like this. So let's start the config here. Start the config. First exit. Okay, this should. Oh my god. And the first config is. Okay. First, enter your and enter to the EIGRP IS number, which mine is EIGRP 1. And uh, after that, type in neighbor. Of the I of type in the IP address of your neighbor, which router 2, which is in this case it's mine's 12.12.12.2, and out interface which is Ethernet 0/0. Type in. Okay. Now let's enter router 2. Enter global mode. Do the same thing. Enter to your EIGRP IS number. Then neighbor, and then type in your neighbor router's IP address, which is mine's 12.12.12.1, yet in the out interface, which is mine's still Ethernet 0/0. Okay. Okay, you can see good. Now let's check in the IP debugging packet detail in our router 1. So as you can see in this one, we the now between router 1 and router 2, they do updates by Unicast only. You can see this one, it, it uses the IP neighbor, not the IP multicast again. So we finally succeed making these two routers updates synchronized by using their neighbor's IP address, not by not by multicast. So that's about it. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next tutorial. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.